Yes, I want to quickly read out what someone wrote on Telegram that is related to almost what I said previously. The work is really going on COTPS, and what we need to do is to wait patiently. I believe COTP must surely come back. If you have been doing research, you will understand that COTPS members, they are really working. So someone wrote something that is very, very important that I think you should know. So since most of you here are not my Telegram channel, so I want to read it out for everybody to see. So please, if you are joining for the first time, please subscribe, like and share. Share this channel, like this channel, subscribe to this channel and write a nice comment. So I want to read out what the guy said about COTPS and what do you think about it. If you think the guy is right, please put it down on the comment section. And if you think he's wrong, put it down on the comment section. Don't skip any part of this video because there are some vital information on the video. So let's go to the page while I read for you. So I start. I'm reading out from here. Alright, let's go. I hope this ongoing transfer process shows us the reason why COTPS asked us to give them 3 to 5 weeks to fix things up at their end. This is just transfer. Imagine how long it would have taken them to recover the database and upload it again. The database issue is even worse than what we are seeing at the moment. This is just one wallet address being processed for each of their 3 million users. Now imagine a database containing all the transfers you have made to the system and the withdrawal you have done. Then add to it every confirm. You click on that was stored in the database, your referral earning and all the lots little piece of information that suddenly add up to form a huge amount of database. That is a lot of data to process and would normally take some time. Only God knows how long it took them to complete that phase. The reading and the writing of little bit of information like this take long period to finish. That is so much data. Then think about the reprogramming of the interface and the integration of the new security features they are adding. If you are you know, you will understand that this is not small work and it takes time. The need for extra care is programming cannot be overstated. Once beaten, twice shy. They may not be so lucky if a second hack attempts should be encountered. In order not to take any unnecessary risk, they have decided to ask for all the time they needed to fix these things and make sure that they are fully secured. As you can notice, the transferring of these small amounts that are so many in making, it takes so long for them to finish the transfer process. So we can now all see why they said we should give them 3 to 5 weeks time. At the moment, they cannot even estimate how long this transfer process might take. All we all we can do now is to remain patient once again, like we've been so far for the past few weeks since the hack attack. As boss Jason Michael would say, let's give them that hard currency called patience. We are almost there, my people. Just a little more patience and it will all end in praise. COTP to the moon. Yes, my brothers and sisters, this is related to one of the posts I made. I said, do you, can this job be completed in 5 weeks? Because transfer process takes time and is stressful. COTP had millions of customers and they are transferring that particular stuff manually, like I told you before. So I don't know if they are going to end this work in 5 weeks. But even if they did not end it in 5 weeks, I believe they will open somewhere to message users. Yes, I believe that. So let's just keep watching and praying. By the grace of God, everything will come back to normal. So please, if you are just joining for the first time, like our channel, subscribe to our channel, share, invite friends as well to to subscribe to the channel. So this is what I have to say right now, and I hope you grabbed something out of what I just read. Though the writer did not put some commas and full stop on the write-up, but I still understand something there. So if you want to join our Telegram group for you to be receiving information, there is link on the description. So that is it for now. Thank you very much and God bless you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.